Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, my dear apprentices. This is your host, Mr. Magno. Okay, we're looking at division. This is plain and simple. It's division. This is our lesson 31. So this lesson says that we need to estimate and then divide. Okay, and as you can see, we already noticed that they gave us an example, and this symbol means approximate or that it has been estimated. Now, you are going to ask yourself, why did they round the 78.4 to 770? Well, what they did is they said, okay, if the 7 is, we need to look for a number that is evenly divided by 7. So they said, okay, well, let's keep the 7 and let's turn the 7 into the 7 and make this 4 down, estimated down to 0 because we could not go up. And so that turned it into 770 and 7 1. So all we did is remove the decimals to estimate, and that's the estimation. The 7 goes into the 7 once, the 7 goes into the 70 10 times. So that's 110. Now, our next step is this. Here's the next step, my friends. The next step is this. We are going to convert this division into a fraction. We've done that in the past, so that is a fraction. 778.4 over 7/10. So you write first this number, the first number has to be written first, and second on the denominator you write the divisor. Once you do that, notice what they did. This is very clever. This is very fun because it makes it easier. When you see the dividend and the divisor have one digit to the right of the decimal number, then you multiply those numbers by 10 because that's the 10th place, to make both numbers that are even, and numbers that are not even, that have no decimal points. So 78.4 times 10 equals 784, and points and 7/10 times 10 equals 7. And then you do the division, which is the answer right here. Now the division is on the side. Very quickly, I'm going to go over the steps. You ask yourselves, how many times the 7 goes into the 7? Once. 1 times 7 equals 7. 7 minus 7 equals 0. We lower the 8. We bring it down, right? And now we say how many groups of 7s go into 8, and the answer is 1. So 1 times 7 equals 7. And when you subtract 8 from 7 equals 1. And now we lower the last digit, 4. So that makes a 1 into a 14 because we regroup. And you know that the 7 goes into the 14 two times. So 2 times 7 equals 14. Two 14s, when they minus each other, they cancel each other out, and the answer is 0. Okay? Rewind this video, stop it, look at it, see if it helps. Don't shy away from looking at it one more time to see if you understand how to look at examples of lessons. Signing out, your coach, your host, Mr. Magno.